Hey everyone, welcome to the Fig Files. Just picked up this piece of furniture the other day. It was in quite a few pieces. There we go. Take a look at this thing. Antique stand. Let's get a closer look. So, unfortunately, I did not take pictures or video this beforehand, but this part right here was disconnected from the base, and the top was coming off. And so what I had to do is glue the creases here, clamp them down, and then let them sit overnight. I got a little finishing nail I need to drive in right there, but this is glued right here. The base, that's something, but let me show you this since the door's open. Not sure the year of this stand. My guess is, late 1800s, 1890s to early 1900s. So what I did here is there was no floor whatsoever that came with the stand, so I had to rebuild the floor, and it also came with 3 little wooden slats, I guess, that go across here, these right here. Let's see if you guys see them. So there was 3, 1, 2, and 3 on both sides, so you could have hung 3 shelves. I wanted to just do 1, and I decided to go with plexiglass. So, cut that myself with a Sawzall, and then drilled the holes, put a little screw in both sides, right through the little wood slat there. Pretty cool. Let me show you what I did to the base of this thing. Look at that keyhole. That is awesome. Hang on a minute, let me turn this thing upside down. Let's do this! Go. So there was a board in here, a piece of wood in here, a square one. It was shorter than this one, and so I took that out. It was put in with finishing nails, which tend to pop out, especially when other parts are loose. So I came in, I put this piece of wood in, and then, because of where the edges of the walls are sitting on the base here, I had to be very careful as to where my screws went through this wood to connect to the stand here, and got it all proper. Had to drill it all. You can't just drive screws in this old stuff, otherwise you're going to crack wood, and that's no fun. Anyways, turning out really cool. Again, my apologies for not taking pictures or a little video before I started this thing so you can take a look at it, what it looked like before, because it has some Howards put on it, which is this stuff right here. But I'm going to Howards it again when I'm all done, because I've scuffed it up in a few places. You can see little white, well, maybe you can, white notches around. So it's all going to get re-Howardsed again. Let me turn it back on its feet. There we go. Anyway, so I'm getting close. I just love the way this turned out. Nice and flush with the existing base. This is done. I'm not gonna put any polyurethane on here. But the rest of the outside is gonna get re-howards and the inside of the door, but I'm not gonna howards this. It's been stained, that's it. And then the top. Let's take a look at the top. There it is. So this thing was pretty beat up. I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but small scuffs right here. Boom, boom. You can see little lines, but just barely. And then there's that notch, a couple notches there that are filled in. But you can't see them too bad. But it was pretty scuffed up, so I did some serious sanding on this thing. Got it down, had to fill in these little things because those were too deep, and I didn't want to lose the graphics around the edges here. So, very important. Anyway, that's going to get connected today. It has existing finishing nails in there, and I think I'm hoping that they'll fit in the existing holes, and just put glue around the rim or the edge where the nails are sitting. Let's get to it.
I totally forgot to turn on my microphone for this section, but what I'm trying to tell you right here is that I put some screws in the top here as well, countersunk them to hold all the pieces together because there's many pieces in this top as well. Time to put the top on. The nails do fit in the existing holes. Redwood is soft. Use it when connecting with other wood.
Okay, you guys, I got a little aggressive on the top of this thing. Take a look. So I split the middle, but what I've done is re-glued it, obviously re-clamped. But the good news is that the top is now glued into place. So what we're going to do is let the glue dry overnight. I need to get to the store and pick up some polyurethane for the top of this thing, because that's all I'm going to do is just polyurethane the top, probably 2 or 3 coats, howards the rest of it, and I think I'm finished. We'll finish this up tomorrow. I'll see you in about 2 seconds. Just finished howardsing the stand. Turned out beautiful. And I'm just wiping it down really quickly. In a moment here, I'll show you guys the top of this. It turned out pretty nice for my mistake I did yesterday. I'll show you in a moment. Go. Stay down here. So yes, you can see the seam where I broke it, and quite honestly, adjust my camera here. These are two pieces of wood right here, and when I split the glue or whatnot, right here, it came off the seam and started going right. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put, like I said, 2 or 3 layers of polyurethane on there. I'll put one on today just to show you what it looks like. Let's do it. Finishing touches. I don't think I have to say this, but you know, pretty much always lay your paint, stain, lacquer, whatever, with the grain. You can go against the grain like this, but come back and do that. Otherwise, you may see brush bristle markings when this stuff dries. Not a big deal. So the reason I have to put 2, 3, 4, whatever you feel, layers of polyurethane on here is because they don't necessarily make lacquers anymore because of the chemicals in them, which is fine, but you know, when you grow up using that stuff and then it's gone, it's like, oh, jeez. But so it just takes a little longer. You know, let it dry, put another layer on, let it dry, another layer. So it could take a day or two to finish it up. But it's still all worth it. I'm not going to show you guys the absolute finished product. You're just going to see this. But I think you get the gist of it all. Ripples out. There we go. I mean, I got to say, I'm pretty darn pleased with this thing. Yeah. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.